Guys, I'm gonna show you how I do my eggplant sandwich now. Or, yeah, we've just been doing sandwiches, right?
Yep.
I guess you like them.
Yeah.
So my husband's gonna record me cutting this up and putting the seasoning and all that good stuff. So stay tuned. So I'm just gonna try to take this little green top off. It's hard. But of course, we don't want to eat that. There we go. First slice down. Okay, so now we're getting ready to season the eggplant, and I'm using grapeseed oil. You probably can't see because the light, but yeah, I poured that into this little black bowl. Then I'm just gonna dip it because it was taking me forever the other day. Shake, shake, shake. Then season. Paprika, cayenne, onion, black pepper, if I can do it, and sea salt. And then all I'm gonna do is put it in here so it can sit in the refrigerator for a while. And I'm gonna keep doing this with all the rest of them. And we're gonna time lapse. Okay, the only reason I seasoned one side, I didn't do this side because I'm just gonna lay it directly on this other one. So it's gonna get the goodness and it's gonna sit in the refrigerator and marinate for a while. So I don't have to do both sides. Plus I put enough seasoning on one side anyway. Now we can go back. So I'm putting all my little eggplants in this plastic bag. The other one's in that container that I hope you guys saw. I'm gonna let it marinate for like 30 minutes. So then I'll show you what I'm gonna do after that. So stay tuned. Okay guys, I'm back. We're gonna fry this eggplant for a little bit. Can you hold this and be my cameraman, RJ?
I'm not
right there, it's recording already. So I'm gonna pour some grapeseed oil. What are you doing, baby?
Don't give it like yes audio in this YouTube channel.
Sorry, be careful. Don't get. Okay, that was good. Come closer. You're covering it with your finger.
See the flame.
Yep. Thank you, cameraman.
You're welcome.
Okay, so it's frying. I'm gonna set it for 2 minutes because they're kind of thick. So I'll be back. Okay, my timer is going off, so I need to flip these bad boys. That's what it looks like. Uh-oh. This is hard, trying to be the camera woman and the chef. There goes that one. There goes that one. So, of course, set my timer for another 2 minutes and let these cook on the other side. Okay. My timer is about to go off. I have 15 seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and take this off. And, add it to the sandwich.
1. Beep, 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 beep,
Sorry.
beep. It's done. It's ready.
Yep.
What What is a yucky like in there?
Uh-oh. Okay, the next thing I do
I don't accept it.
is I put tomatoes in between because I'm gonna put another layer of eggplant on top. So those are great tomatoes that I have. So I need to go focus on these eggplants that are frying. There's my so that's all you have to do. 2 minutes on each side. If you have it cooking on high, just make sure you double check before it even continues 1 minute after you flipped it that one time. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you later.